All right, people. I know I told you that I wouldn't buy the new Creed Absolute, but for you guys, went out, bought the bottle, show it to you guys right now. It's an amazing fragrance. I was wrong. I think you should all go buy it. $400, $500, $600, whatever price you can find it. You guys should go buy this bottle. It's a beautiful bottle. And you thought I would buy that overpriced, overhyped sewer water? No. No. You ain't got to buy it either. You know why? It already exists. It's called Club de Nuit Urban Man Elixir. You see, they already mixed Creed with Sauvage Elixir. Has Creed stooped so low to clone a clone? $400, huh?